Hi, I'm Arham Ali, and this is Gemini FairLens, AI Credit Suitability Copilot, built for the Google DeepMind Vibe Code with Gemini 3 Pro for the Hackathon. Credit decisions are usually a black box. Customers just see approved or declined, and risk teams manually scan bank statements, payslips, P&L reports, and credit reports. FairLens uses Gemini 3 Pro's multimodal reasoning to turn those raw documents into a transparent credit suitability profile for individuals and SMEs. Let me start with the suitability check flow for an individual. Here I select the customer type, then fill basic details such as name, country of residence, and the customer's goal, for example, a credit card and a personal loan. This information provides context for Gemini before we analyze any documents. On the document step, I upload the customer's real financial documents. For an individual, that includes a recent bank statement, a payslip, and a credit report, plus an optional ID or passport. FairLens uses Gemini 3 Pro not only to extract financial signals, but also to validate that each document actually belongs to this customer and that the correct document type is uploaded into the correct slot. When I click Run AI Analysis, Gemini 3 Pro reads all of these PDFs and images in one long context call and produces a structured risk profile. On the results screen, FairLens evaluates each product against configurable rules and returns an internal suitability score and an approve, review, or decline decision. The explanations highlight the main drivers, such as debt to income stability, bounce checks, and credit behavior, and they explicitly reference the uploaded documents. The charts give a quick visual view of DTI, overall risk profile, and how each product compares, so a credit officer can see strengths and weaknesses at a glance. There's also a Configure Products demo that lets product teams work with Gemini. I describe a new credit product in natural language, and Gemini generates a structured JSON config with constraints and weights for the suitability engine. Gemini FairLens isn't yet a production credit engine, but it shows how Gemini 3 Pro can make credit workflows transparent, explainable, and configurable instead of purely black box scoring.